Go.
Okay, now we're putting butter in, and my little brother's helping me. And we're making cookies. So my little brother's helping with this ingredient. And he doesn't really know how to do it. So he's to hold it, and I used to put a knife in and do it. Because all you do is wash it. Detail. Yeah. Okay. Now, all you do is this. All you do is do this, turn over. Let's go.
That's good teamwork.
Yes, it is. We always do teamwork on everything. Now we're putting the sugar in this big bowl, and we already put in the butter. So now we put this in, and then we put another one. Okay, now we're putting in a brown sugar, and my little brother's helping me put it in. It's really hard. Whoa! What? Now what are we doing?
Mixing it.
Now we're mixing it with this, and we have all ingredients in now.
What are the ingredients that are in there?
I don't remember.
Look in there.
Brown sugar and brown sugar, and sugar and butter.
Perfect. Okay, go ahead and start mixing. Okay, go.
Now that's cream together. We add 2 eggs.
Just a minute, Davis.
Don't break.
Do it on the counter.
No. Broke it.
Good job. You want to lick it?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute, okay? I gotta finish mixing it.
What? I broke it right in half. You know what? I just sliced that right in half. There's no need to do that.
Okay, what are we gonna add next?
This.
The vanilla.
Vanilla. There's a vanilla. Now we mix it together. Slowly dump this in. Stop. I know how to.
Do you dump all of it in?
No.
Why not?
That much?
Why don't you dump all of it in?
Because you won't have enough left.
Because it'll poof in your face.
Yeah, because it'll poof in your face. And you won't have any more left.
Okay, now slowly mix that. Davis, no touch button.
Alright, I'll put this in. When you're done mixing it, you have to put in chocolate chips because we love chocolate chips. all of them.
Okay, can you show me how?
You look. You look. If this one's like right here by it, they're like supposed to be at like one. Do this so it won't smash this other one when you get big. Now we put these in the oven. Right now?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, no, it's hot.
Don't squish the cookies.